everything here will be filled inside the pockets in 1 second. Here, 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 all pockets fill it up, and let's wear it. For airline stuff, it's become invisible, and after that, our backpacks easily can fit any cabin size checker.
Voila.
Magic.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 23 of our travel daily vlog.
Today is the flight day and we are going from Poland to Bulgaria. And right now we are in Warsaw in Central Train Station. It's only 3 a.m. and we're heading to Modlin Airport. The ride will take 1 hour and the ticket price is 40 zlotych, which is about $12, so it's very cheap. I think it's somewhere here. Yeah, Modlin. Let's go. Despite that, we are very sleepy because it's 3 a.m. The one benefit for travel that early is that almost no one travel in this time, and it's almost only you in the whole train.
The next station.
We arrived to Modlin city, but it's not final destination and we need to find connection bus, and we have only 10 minutes. It was pretty easy. The bus is just right in front of train station, so it's take only 1 minute to get from train to the bus. Let's go inside. We made it to the airport on time and we already checked it in.
So we want to show you something very cool that we always travel with. It helps us to not worry about cabin size check and save us lots of money on flights.
As you probably know, when you travel with budget airlines, especially in Europe and Asia, the baggage fee may cost almost the same price as the ticket itself. And if you don't pay, you'll get only tiny personal item, which is way too small for the real carry-on backpack. I'm not even talking about the luggage. And it's definitely not enough if you travel longer than for a weekend. But we made a solution. At first, it looked like regular coat, but if you look inside, you'll see a lot of big pockets. And guys, they are big enough to fit almost all our outfits. For airline stuff, it's become invisible, and after that, our backpacks easily can fit any cabin size checker. Now, let us show how many stuff it can fit inside. Alright, everything here will be filled inside the pockets. Here all our t-shirts, shirts, skirt, socks, underwear, even like second backpack, towel, some secret pouch, and the shorts again, a lot of thermo pants, some shirts again. Like all our stuff for 2 of us fits here in 1 second. Here, 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 all pockets fill it up, and let's wear it.
Voila.
Right now it's look like just the winter jacket and no one will ask any question. Magic. Okay, we made it through security. She already taken off her jacket. Here it fits in this backpack, and we should walk to our plane and just look at this fog. We made it to Bulgaria and it's very sunny day in Burgas. Now we're gonna find a place with the public buses and we'll go to city center because this airport located not so close to the city. Bus number 15 will take you from airport to the city center. The tickets cost 1.5 leva, it's Bulgarian currency, but I don't know how much it is because we don't have currency Bulgarian yet. And we can't pay by credit card, so some very kind lady from the bus give us the tickets for free. We've been in Bulgaria about 10 years ago, and that time we travel across the country for like 3 weeks, I guess. But today we have only one day in Burgas, and I don't think there is something special to see in this city. We here just to get the bus to Istanbul this night and meet our friends.
Why should we go to Dubai store if we'll go to Dubai in next few days?
Yeah, that's true. I mean, there is already something special because the city located on the seaside, and the sea is amazing every time, always. Look how many cats in here. Hey. Hey. The sandy beach is nice, but it's full of seaweed and some garbage, so it's look not very good.
But it's not the season right now.
Yes.
Probably summertime is much better.
Is it cold or is it hot?
No, it's not cold. It's kind of warm, which is nice.
Okay. When I saw this black sand, one theory came up in my mind. So I tried on, and actually I was right. Let me show you something really cool, because this black sand is not just a regular sand. I have this part of Insta360 mic, but all what I need is the magnet inside. And if we're gonna place it on the sand like this, we're gonna move it a bit, turn it around, and as you can see, it collects a lot of things on the magnet, because this sand is magnetic, because it has a lot of tiny metal pieces inside. So it's pretty cool effect. You can see all it here. We saw exactly same beach in Georgia, the place called Magnetity, and it's very touristic attraction over there. Some sculpture of the seagull and old man. And also you can touch his nose, I guess, because you see, everyone touch it.
I'll shake his hand.
His name is Petko Blagoev Pandira. It's very long pier, right? The coast is very far. So guys, day 23 is over, but only for this video and not for us, because it's gonna be second night in a row on the road. Last night we slept only few hours in a plane on the way from Poland to Bulgaria, and today we're gonna spend whole night in a bus on the way from Bulgaria to Turkey, Istanbul. Anyway, I hope we can have a good rest to have a lot of energy for exploring new city tomorrow. So see you, bye.
Bye.